Incredible mobile cranes you need to see. In the ever-evolving landscape of heavy machinery, mobile cranes stand as towering symbols of engineering ingenuity, power, and versatility. These colossal lifting giants, designed to conquer the most formidable challenges in construction, infrastructure development, and industrial applications, redefine the boundaries of what is possible. From the groundbreaking innovations of global manufacturers to the sheer magnitude of lifting capacities, each crane on this list tells a story of cutting-edge technology and relentless pursuit of excellence. SANY SCC 40000A. The SANY SCC 40000A represents the pinnacle of mobile crane engineering, a titanic force designed by the Chinese manufacturing juggernaut SANY. Towering over the construction landscape, this heavy-duty crane is characterized by an astounding lifting capacity that places it squarely at the forefront of the industry. At its core lies a symphony of cutting-edge hydraulic systems, meticulously integrated into a robust chassis, creating a masterpiece engineered to handle colossal loads with unrivaled precision and stability. The telescopic boom of the SCC 40000A is a marvel of design, offering not only immense reach but also unparalleled versatility in lifting operations. Lamson Ultil 3000. The Lamson Ultil 3000 stands as a true colossus in the realm of mobile cranes, revered for its colossal lifting capabilities and its chameleon-like adaptability to a myriad of projects. This crane's lattice boom design, a testament to meticulous engineering, positions it as a stalwart in the face of heavy lifts, handling them with a grace that defies its monumental size. At the heart of the Ultil 3000's prowess is an intricate web of advanced control systems, affording operators the precision required for manipulating and positioning loads with the utmost finesse. Versatility is the hallmark of the Ultil 3000, as it can be configured with various boom lengths and attachments, making it the go-to choice for projects that demand flexibility and efficiency. Manitowoc 31000. The Manitowoc 31000, a titan among crawler cranes, exemplifies the storied legacy of Manitowoc in crafting extraordinary mobile lifting solutions. As a fixture on large-scale construction and infrastructure projects, this colossal crane commands attention with its staggering lifting capacity. The 31000's crawler configuration provides it with the stability and mobility required to navigate challenging terrains, making it an indispensable asset in projects where precision and power are non-negotiable. The engineering marvel that is the Manitowoc 31000 extends beyond its sheer power. The crane is endowed with advanced control systems, ensuring that each lift is executed with surgical precision. Mammoth PTC 200DS. The Mammoth PTC 200DS stands as a colossus in the realm of heavy lifting, a mobile crane designed to tackle monumental challenges with unparalleled efficiency. The acronym PTC stands for Platform Twin Ring Containerized, reflecting the innovative design that sets this crane apart. Characterized by its ring-shaped platform and containerized components, the PTC 200DS is engineered to swiftly assemble and disassemble, minimizing downtime and maximizing productivity on the job site. The crane's telescopic boom, coupled with its unique ring configuration, allows for exceptional lifting capacities and outreach. This makes it particularly well-suited for projects that require lifting heavy loads to great heights or reaching over obstacles. Siren's SGC 250 Big Carl. The Siren's SGC 250, affectionately known as Big Carl, is a colossus that defines the epitome of heavy lifting on a grand scale. As one of the largest cranes in existence, Big Carl is a testament to the engineering prowess of Siren's. Boasting an awe-inspiring lifting capacity and a superlative ring configuration, this heavy-duty crane is designed for colossal lifts in sectors such as petrochemical power generation and infrastructure. Big Carl's innovative design features a ring-shaped structure that enables it to rotate 360 degrees, providing unparalleled flexibility and precision in maneuvering heavy loads. Equipped with a sophisticated control system, the crane ensures that each lift is executed with meticulous accuracy. Demig AC 55-3. The Demig AC 55-3 stands as a beacon of versatility and efficiency in the world of mobile cranes. Engineered by Demig, a renowned name in lifting solutions, this all-terrain crane is celebrated for its compact design and exceptional lifting performance. The AC in its nomenclature signifies all-terrain crane, highlighting its ability to navigate diverse landscapes with ease, from urban construction sites to challenging off-road environments. The AC-55-3's telescopic boom, coupled with innovative design features, allows for impressive reach and lifting capacities. The three-axle configuration enhances the crane's mobility without compromising its ability to handle heavy loads. Liebherr MK88. The Liebherr MK88 is a marvel of engineering ingenuity, a mobile construction crane that redefines the standards of versatility and compactness. Crafted by Liebherr, a global leader in construction machinery, this innovative crane is designed to navigate urban landscapes and confine job sites with ease. The MT in its nomenclature stands for Mobile Construction Crane, emphasizing its adaptability to diverse construction scenarios. At the heart of the MK88's capabilities is its unique combination of a tower crane and a mobile crane, offering the best of both worlds. The crane features a telescopic boom and a luffing jib, providing remarkable reach and flexibility in lifting operations. Terex Demag AC700. The Terex Demag AC700 stands as a pinnacle of power and capability in the realm of all-terrain cranes. Manufactured by Terex, a renowned name in heavy equipment, this colossal crane is engineered for extraordinary lifting tasks across varied terrains. The AC in its nomenclature signifies its versatility as an all-terrain crane, designed to navigate challenging landscapes without sacrificing lifting performance. The AC700 boasts an impressive lifting capacity, facilitated by a sophisticated hydraulic system and a robust telescopic boom. The crane's design emphasizes ease of transport and rapid setup, ensuring efficiency in dynamic construction environments. Liebherr LTM 1650-81. The Liebherr LTM 1650-81 is a pinnacle of engineering prowess, a mobile crane that epitomizes the marriage of power and precision. Crafted by Liebherr, a global leader in construction machinery, this mammoth crane stands as one of the most powerful telescopic cranes in existence. The LTM in its nomenclature designates it as a telescopic mobile crane, highlighting its versatility and adaptability to a myriad of lifting scenarios. At the core of the LTM 1650-81's capabilities is its 8-axle chassis, providing stability and load-bearing capacity crucial for handling massive loads. The telescopic boom, augmented by advanced engineering, extends to extraordinary lengths, allowing the crane to reach unparalleled heights with exceptional lifting capacities. Liebherr LG 1750. The Liebherr LG 1750 stands as a colossus in the world of crawler cranes, embodying the epitome of lifting power and versatility. Manufactured by Liebherr, a global leader in heavy machinery, this crane is designed for monumental lifts in sectors such as petrochemical power generation and large-scale infrastructure projects. The LG in its nomenclature signifies its classification as a lattice boom crawler crane, showcasing its adaptability to various terrains. Central to the LG 1750's capabilities is its lattice boom structure, providing exceptional lifting capacities and outreach. The crane's crawler configuration ensures stability on uneven surfaces, allowing it to navigate challenging job sites with ease. Turi AC 1001. The Terex AC 1009 is a masterstroke of engineering, a mobile crane designed to conquer the most challenging lifting tasks with finesse. Manufactured by Terex, a global leader in heavy equipment, this crane stands at the forefront of the industry, showcasing a harmonious blend of power, precision, and versatility. The AC in its nomenclature designates it as an all-terrain crane, highlighting its capability to navigate diverse landscapes. The AC 1009 boasts a remarkable lifting capacity, facilitated by a robust telescopic boom and sophisticated hydraulic systems. Its all-terrain capability ensures that it can traverse varied landscapes, from urban construction sites to off-road environments, without compromising on performance. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.